Alright guys, so here's a fun fact for you. If you bought yourself a good old Wltoys XK, I can't remember which, 689 or something like that. Anyway, the thing that you want to know is that it comes with one of these cool little chargers, and these cool little chargers work very well with pretty much all these batteries, including the Tattoo, like the 650 and all the ones that have this kind of balance lead. You can charge them up with this, which is kind of fantastic because in some ways, although you won't get the full charge out of your battery, at the very least it won't explode on you because exactly it won't overcharge it, and there's no risk of that. So yeah, thumbs up to Wltoys because they make cool chargers that can save you. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I thought I'd let you guys know about this, and see you soon in the next video.
Likey.